The most popular female urination device isn't always the best, that's what everyone assumes. But when you actually try them, you realize some are just flashy, while others quietly solve real problems. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones actually work. Product number 1, DIBBATU Disposable Urine Bags. First up, the DIBBATU Disposable Urine Bags. These aren't your typical pee funnels, they're single-use bags with an absorbent pad inside that turns liquid into gel in 45 seconds. At $15 for 12 or 24 bags, they're cheap, lightweight, and come individually wrapped. If you want zero cleanup and maximum discretion during emergencies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're stuck in traffic, hiking, or dealing with pregnancy-related urgency, these bags eliminate the need to find a restroom. The 800 ml capacity is enough for most adults, and the sealing strip ensures no leaks, even if you're bouncing around in a car. Over 5,000 people bought these last month, and the compact size, folded to 6x3 inches, means you can stash one in your purse, glove compartment, or backpack without anyone knowing. Now, some people complained about the lack of reusability, and yeah, that's fair. These are single-use only, so if you're looking for something eco-friendly or long-term, this isn't it. But here's the thing. For emergency situations where hygiene and speed matter most, disposability is actually a strength. No rinsing, no drying, just seal and toss. This is perfect for you if you're frequently on the road, traveling, or managing medical conditions that require quick relief. Skip this one if you're trying to reduce waste or need something for repeated daily use. For the price and peace of mind, it's solid value. Product number 2, Innovative DesignWorks Spill-Proof Urinal. Next, the Innovative DesignWorks Female Urinal, a sturdy, spill-proof bottle with a contoured funnel. Priced at $24, it's on the higher end, but it feels durable right out of the box. If you want something that won't tip over and actually contains messes, this is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide base and ergonomic handle make it stable even when full, and the lid locks tight, meaning no spills if it gets knocked over in the car or tent. It holds 32 ounces, which is huge compared to most funnels, so you don't have to empty it constantly. The shape is designed to fit comfortably against your body, reducing splashback, and the smooth plastic won't irritate sensitive skin. Now, some people complained about the size. It's bulky and not exactly pocket-friendly. And honestly, that's true. It's not something you'd carry on a hike unless it's in a dedicated bag. But here's the thing, if you're camping, road tripping, or bedridden, portability matters less than reliability. This thing is built like a tank. This is perfect for you if you're traveling long distances, camping, or need a bedside solution. Skip this one if you want something discreet or ultra-portable. For the build quality and capacity, it's a fair price. Product number 3, TRIPTIPS P-Conch Foldable Funnel. Now the TRIPTIPS P-Conch, this one's a game changer for travelers. At $17.79, it folds down to 70% of its size and comes in a sleek case. If you want freedom from public restrooms without carrying bulk, this is the one to watch. The raised dots prevent slipping, and the detachable tube lets you aim precisely, no more guessing or splashing. It fits most water bottles, so you can pee standing up almost anywhere. Over 1,000 sold last month, and the US design patent shows they actually thought this through. Now, some people complained about the learning curve. First-time users sometimes leak if they don't form a tight seal. And yeah, that's real. It takes practice to get the angle right. But here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly reliable. The included case keeps it clean and discreet. This is perfect for you if you're hiking, festival going, or just hate public toilets. Skip this one if you need something foolproof on the first try. For reusability and portability, it's excellent value. Product number 4, Sunny Silicone Pee Funnel. Next, the Sunny Female Urinal, a soft fuchsia silicone funnel at just $12.71. It's lightweight, foldable, and comes with a long spout for better aim. If you want something affordable, skin-friendly, and easy to clean, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The silicone is medical grade and won't irritate sensitive skin, even with repeated use. The curved design hugs your body to prevent backsplash, and the long spout gives you control, no more wet shoes or clothes. It's so light, only 3.2 ounces, you'll forget it's in your bag. And cleaning, just rinse with water or soap, no special steps. Now, some people complained about the lack of rigidity. It can collapse if you press too hard, and that's fair. Unlike harder plastics, silicone bends. But here's the thing, if you position it correctly and don't force it, it holds its shape perfectly. It's not for high-pressure situations, but for normal use, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you're budget-conscious or have sensitive skin. Skip this one if you need maximum structural support. For the price and comfort, it's a steal. Product number 5, MaxiCare Spill-Proof Travel Urinal. Finally, the MaxiCare Female Urinal, another 32-ounce bottle with a lid, but this one's only $12.71. It looks simple, but the wide opening and measurement markings make it surprisingly functional. If you want a no-frills, reliable bottle that won't break the bank, this is it. The spill-proof lid actually works, and the ergonomic handle gives you control when emptying. It stands steady on its own, even when empty, thanks to the balanced base. Perfect for car trips, camping, or bedside use. Now, some people complained about the plastic feeling thin, and yeah, it's not the sturdiest. It won't survive a serious drop, but here's the thing, for the price, it's surprisingly well designed. The measurements on the side are actually useful if you're tracking output for medical reasons. This is perfect for you if you need a basic, affordable solution for travel or emergencies. Skip this one if you want premium materials or frequent reuse. For under $13, it's solid value. So which one's best? The DIBBATU bags win for emergencies, the innovative DesignWorks bottle for durability, TRIPTIPS for portability, Sunny for comfort, and MaxiCare for budget value. None are perfect, but each shines in the right situation. Pick based on your needs, not popularity.